What's up guys, it's Sanik, and today we're going to be reacting to a video called the Oxford Argument Tube, created by Toonzies. Since I'm talking very fast, I'm just going to make a few things real quick though. Hey, I'm human again. That's new I guess, but I don't want to be in my hedgehog form or anything else anymore, so I got myself a cool ass background with all these sexy ass anime chicks, and a Pikachu slipper cup thing, whatever the hell that is, couple of other stuff. So I'm just going to begin the video, or whatever. No 3, 2, 1, just fuck it, just do it. Let's just begin. Oh God, let's just do it. I don't care. Okay, I'm ready. I'm freaking ready. I just want to see how funny this shit is anyway. This cartoon may have some offensive humor. You've been warned or whatever.
Sir, can you tell me what happened? Well,
no. First of all, can you tell me why?
Oh shoot! What the fuck? Wait. That's really fucked up though. Whenever this nigga got fucking boobs. Okay.
Hey, turn down this shit. I'm trying to.
This nigga got boobs. The hell?
Well, you thought wrong.
Men do not breastfed children. What the fuck? You just punched. What the fuck? He just punched a baby. What the fuck?
Stuck between BJ and Rufus.
You're gonna name your fucking baby Blowjob?
Why would you? Why? His initials. Gonna freaking name his fucking child Blowjob BJ.
It better not be trash though, cause I won't hesitate to rub my nuts on your forehead.
I'm gonna break your spine.
This fucking song is gay. I'm so cringe right now. What the fuck? I'm so what? I want to freaking die right now. This song is so weird. Sexual harassment. These nuts, man. The hell?
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
For real? What? What the fuck is it?
Not your funny up.
This fucking goat, man. His freaking mixtape though.
Let's play some hot fire on this shit.
Just spit some freaking fire, boy. I'm just waiting. I want to hear it.
Pistol with my bitches. I pistol with my bitches.
This is some
Pistol with these nuts.
Looks like I gotta show y'all what real music is.
Shut your fuck ass up.
Damn, this nigga voice is high as shit.
I hope your pussy grows teeth, bitch.
I hope your dick evaporates in cold water.
Damn. Hell no. Hell no. I'm so cringe. What the hell?
This is why your new boyfriend won't go down on you.
That's why he got a bigger dick than you.
Damn, Chris Brown style. Oh my God. He just punched the shit out of her. Oh God. Yo, he had enough. Look at his face though. He had enough.
That's it! Y'all asked for it!
Yo, is that Logic?
Yo, this freaking song though. What the hell? What the fuck? Yo, air rape. Air rape. What the fuck? Yo, his eyes bleeding. What the fuck?
I will turn this car around. Yo, wait, is that your receiver?
What the fuck?
I don't know what you're staring at. I don't see anything.
Bruh, he's right there.
You can't see me.
I can see you. I can see you. Oh my God.
So yeah, that's what basically happened.
Yo, this fucking perverted cop though. What the hell?
Shut up, you got no right.
Seriously, whenever this nigga got titties.
I'm a sick fuck. I like a quick fuck.
I'm a slick fuck who like to quick fuck. That's. I'm so dead. Oh shoot.
I hate that song. Oh shit.
Oh my God, the baby's gonna speak.
Hey, guys, my baby's about to say his first words.
Say something.
Say dada. Say dada.
Fuck niggers.
The hell? Whenever the baby say fuck nigger, like what the fuck?
My name is Doug Dimmadome.
Who the hell is you?
Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. Doug Dimmadome.
That's freaking annoying. That's what the nigga. We don't want to hear your name no more. And the fucking earth is gone. What the hell? What? Wait. Oh my god, what the hell? I don't want to hear this man's voice again. What the hell? I know the nigga is from Fairly Odd Parents and all kinds of stuff like that. I don't want to hear your voice all the time. But I know his videos, like, I know, Toonzies' videos is pretty good. He got some funny animations, so if you gotta check out his channel. And I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. If you want to check it out, whatever you felt like it, cause, you know, whatever. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, also subscribe because I will appreciate it though. And yeah, that's one freaky ass video. I swear to God though, if I ever freaking, you know, aux cord shit, and I hope my friend doesn't fucking put on no gay shit, cause you know I'm sick of it. It's really weird. It's weird as fuck now. Can't believe it. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Whatever. Fuck.